right, we're ready to go. GETREV is revving up and ready to go. Unfortunately, the economy itself is in big trouble. I want to read something to you real quick that I just read. Global cryptocurrency market cap today hit 1.9 trillion mark after rising about 12% the last 24 hours. Total cryptocurrency volume jumped 34% to 109.19 billion. So you can see that people are moving to crypto because of the economy. The economy is in big trouble, and a Band-Aid ain't going to fix it. Here's the deal. We had the consumer price index came out yesterday at 8.5%. If we use the old formula for calculating the inflation, it would have been 17.5%. Now that's a big jump from the 8.5%, but that's not the worst news. The worst news is the wholesale price index. That jumped to 11.9%. So when the wholesale price index jumps, that's the parts that are needed to assemble to make products, everything from raw materials, metals, you name it, and that goes up, and that means the finished product goes up. So when you go to the store to buy it, it's going to go up not just the three percentage points, the points that the price index went up, but it's going to go up a lot more because you have to have labor and the finishing costs. So the economy's in trouble, folks, and we're only in the beginning. This is the highest inflation rate this country has ever recorded, ever in the history of the country. So we are in trouble, and it was just beginning. We've got months and months and maybe years of this to work through before they can get it under control. And to get it under control, they have to crash the economy, totally crash the economy. They have to raise interest rates to sky-high levels, and that'll crash the stock market. And when that crashes, if you have any money in the stock market, you better get it out fast, because they are going to take it down. It's going to go down hard. All right, let's get back to business here. We're introducing our GETREV coin, but you need to know that information so you can find an alternative to get your money into so you don't lose it. We're a new smart blockchain-based marketplace for trading digital assets, NFT, according to users' interest, built with smart merchant account for business owners, and it's definitely a hedge against inflation. If you put your money into cryptocurrency, you won't have to worry about inflation. Now, I'm going to give you a deal that you're not going to be able to refuse. Till April 30th, for one GTR coin, you give me 2 cents, I'm going to give you a 5-cent GTVRV coin back. So for 2 cents, you're going to get 5 cents. And why am I doing that? For the very simple reason we have to raise our market cap. The more coins we have in circulation, when we raise the price of the coin, the higher our market cap will be. So when the price goes up, you make more money. So you can get in for 2 cents and potentially walk out at $1 a coin. So I wouldn't pass this up, and I'll give you a 10% bonus for a first-time purchase. So if you put in 1,000, you get 100. You can't beat that. Okay, 2 cents and $1,000, you're going to get 50,000 GTR coins worth a nickel, and you're instantly going to walk into $2,500 instantly, and a 10% monthly bonus until we launch. And that's only till we launch. When we launch and you get your coins in the wallet, that's over with, unless you put it into a smart contract. And we're going to end smart contracts shortly. They'll be ending like July. We're not going to take any new ones after July, because the coin price will rise and you can go on the coin price rather than anything else. So to figure this out, all you have to do is put 2 cents into $1, and that's 50 coins per dollar. And a nickel a coin is 20 coins per dollar. So it's very simple to calculate that way. And now, when we go up to 3 cents, you'll get 1,665, 4 cents, 1,250, and on and on. But now's the time to buy, because you're going to have so many benefits having the GETREV coin. You get 10% monthly until launching. Thank you bonus of 10% on first time purchase. Profit handsomely from pre-sale price. Become one of our founding members and earn more from the referral rewards. And we have some members making enough money from referral rewards they don't even have to buy anymore. And this is true protection from inflation, real protection from inflation. Once you put it into a private, well, you'll learn as we go along. Now we have a special offer just for the month of April. This is a gift certificate. You can use as many of these as you like. If you want to purchase 10 of them, you can. You'll get 10 shares of stock. You'll get 1 share of GTVR coin share stock, valid until April 30th of 2002. $100, and you get 1 share of stock. So start with $100, get a share of stock. Why? If we sell the company, you'll get paid for that share of stock, and you have voting rights in the company then. Not like Twitter's going to be taken over. You'd be able to vote on that. What is crypto market capitalization? This is what I was talking about earlier. It's very simple. We take the total circulating supply of coins, that's what we're increasing at 2 cents, and then we times it by the price of each coin. So it's real simple. How many coins do we have out there? What's the price of each coin? Times it, and that's our market cap. And the bigger our market cap, the higher that we rank on the chart, and the more money we're going to be worth. So we want to get our market cap as high as possible. Okay, get to know GETREV coin. GETREV protocol. It's a 3-layer architecture. GETREV protocol adheres to the Google protocol buffers and free open source cross-platform data format used to serialize structured data. It's useful in developing program and communicate with each other or for storing data. So it's good for communication, and it's good for storing the data securely. Nobody can hack the blockchain because it's distributed in so many places. Smart contracts are written in Solidity language. Once written, tested, compiled in bitcode, they can be deployed on our GETREV virtual machine. Once deployed, smart contracts can be queried on our address, and application binary interface shows the contracts call functions and used for interacting with the network. In other words, we'll be able to show you your smart contract on your website, so you'll see how much you're making every day, every week, every month. Our marketplace, that's going to be a secure platform, buying and selling and transferring, storing digital currency. Our mission is to create an open financial system for the world and to be a leading global brand for helping people convert digital currency out of local currency. But we're also going to have like a mini Amazon there and an NFT platform. Our referral rewards we'll explain later. Smart contract account, the next generation smart contract uses AI. They call it Genius contract. Merchant account that ensures safer and faster and transaction processing speed by completing a consensus algorithm based on a non-exchange layer, combines hashtag and DAG, and allows businesses to accept payments in multiple ways. Our merchant account. A virtual locker takes a small portion of our funds and puts it for good use, like in Ukraine. But anyway, here's the important slide. Testnet versus mainnet. What's the difference between the two? We've already passed this test. Testnet, that's the experimental network where developers can create modify the functionalities of and monitor the blockchain network performance. They fix the bugs and network failures and reuse the test files to ensure accurate comparisons between the two. And you can see here, we passed our test. This is the testnet explorer, and it shows you everything you need to know about how we passed the test. We ran 10,000 coins just for a test. It went perfectly, and now we're ready to, now we ordered 2 million, and they're being created now, and they'll be on the way. I'll be talking to them later today to find out when. A mainnet network is the final, most stable and fully functional version of the blockchain. Now that's where we're going to be. Once he creates our coins, he's going to put us on mainnet 2. That's Timothy. Mainnets enables dApps to launch up for public use. They see an increased number of validators. These people are incentivized by tokens of real value. So everything's checked, rechecked, double-checked. All transactions are alive on the mainnet projects. The mainnet are always considered more mature. It gives users confidence that the project has put in a lot of resources and to get into their blockchain, because the mainnet has gone through evaluation processes before launching. So bottom line is, with the mainnet, we can put our coin on all the exchanges. We can go to Binance, we can go to CoinCap, we can go to Binance US. So you'll be able to cash out your coins anywhere until we launch. When we launch, then we'll be able to cash out your coins. The coin and wallet. A GETREV wallet is a software used to store, send, receive cryptocurrency, and enables users to interact with various blockchains. You put your wallet right on your smartphone, and you walk around with your money in your pocket. You can convert that instantly, almost at your exchange, into money that you can spend instantly if you need to. Put it right on your debit card, away you go, spending away. Our denomination of cryptocurrency represents a tradable asset or utility that resides on its own blockchain and allows a holder to use for investment or economic purposes. Now, just think of this. You're making money on the cryptocurrency. You're not losing money with the real dollar, so that when you cash in your cryptocurrency to the real dollar, you've already made money, and you're going to be able to spend it and get much more for your money than you've ever gotten. Now, here's our corporate seal. This is our start of our GETREV Coin corporate seal. GETREV owns our own blockchain, leaving endless opportunities to create new tokens and coins and smart contracts for other companies. Plus, owning our own blockchain allows us to innovate and add functionality. We can create our blockchain. Coders are top-notch and plan to have a project. They already completed it in 4 weeks. I don't have to read all this. And we're not going to be in Estonia. We're going to be in Singapore, the financial center of Asia right now. Used to be Hong Kong. Now it's transferred to Singapore. Why are we different? Well, and what do exchanges look for to price a coin? What is the real daily volume for the coin? Exchanges would link to our API, our public access API, and access our public data, and would have data candles set up for every minute throughout the day. And if we do that, that's real transparency. And that's what the exchanges want, real transparency. They don't want you just to give them your version of what you did every day. They want to see it in real time so they can verify everything that you're doing. And if we do that, we will have a high transparency rating, and it needs to be an A to get the best valuation. And we will we will even display the amount of our holding escrow account to pay our smart contract accounts. We'll put that right on the front page of the website when we launch, so you'll be able to see that we're transparent, that we're showing you how much money we have to pay everybody for the smart contracts. We have 1 million coins ordered back for paying out smart contract as well. And we plan to, on our website, you can become a member and download this exact presentation and get this uploaded today, if you can. And you can download this exact presentation, or we'll put it someplace for temporarily on Facebook or something if you're in the group, and you can download it there. And our legal structure will be set up legally, and that's what exchanges want. They want to see your license, they want to see your corporation, they want to see everything. And when we get to Singapore, we'll have all that, because Singapore is a cryptocurrency friendly country. They give you a license, they regulate you. You gotta do things right, and we do things right. You know, we're not playing any games here. We want you to make money. We want us to make money. You know, I'm not here for my, just because I want to be here, but I want to make money, and you want to make money. So we're here to make money for everybody. Okay, know your crypto coin value. Now here's where we're going to shine beyond anybody's dream with our merchant account. Number of nodes have a big impact on the coin value. A node is a wallet or any device storing any number of coins. The more nodes you have means the higher chance to have a big daily volume. With our merchant account, we're going to leave some coins in every single wallet, so if they use the merchant account again, they don't have to set up a new account. It'll be there for them. And that's going to be on our network. And the more nodes you have, the higher the value of your coin goes. So let's say we have 1,000 transactions in a day. Those 1,000 transactions turn out to be 1,000 wallets added to our network that day, and that's going to give us permanent growth. It's just going to keep going and going and going. Now, we will also assign a virtual debit card when we launch to the GETREV only crypto coin that can be spent instantly at any merchant accepting the coin or debit card. On our mini Amazon, you'll be able to buy anything right there with that debit card. And the small fees you pay, it'll be well worth it, because that allows us to give the merchant account away free for 30 days for businesses to try it before they buy it. And we've had the technology to do the debit cards for years. Our guys used to work at banks, so they know the bank security and debit card security. So that's no issue for them to create that and do it. I'm having trouble getting my mouse down there. Okay, this is our debit card. We hope it looks exactly like that, but they'll probably change it a little bit. GETREV debit card. Withdraw your profits anytime, anywhere. You can withdraw your earnings from your monthly profit, referral commissions at any time. However, the growth chart in one of the previous slides is based upon investing your daily profit. So you reinvest you upload your daily profit back into your smart contract, and that's going to grow your money. And that's what the idea of having a smart contract is. A friendly suggestion for anyone needing to earn money for daily expenses: start referring others. A significant income can be earned by referring others. Why wouldn't you? It's so easy to make money. Why wouldn't you? Now, this is my favorite slide. Get excited with our profit pools. And there are so many. Our marketplace. Now, we're going to have NFTs there, which I'll explain in a little while. We'll have a mini Amazon where you can sell products and you don't have to pay to sell those products. We add 10% to the price of the product, and the consumer pays that, and you, the seller, get to sell for free. We're the only company that does that. That's going to be a major advantage for us. And we're going to offer our merchant account too, or you can have your merchant account, or you can use PayPal, whatever you want. We have our advertising platform. That's how we started, and we make money on advertising, and we're going to talk about that at some time. And then our crypto profits, there's huge money in crypto. When we add cryptocurrencies to our exchange right here, and they grow in profits, and even before the exchange, we're going to start buying crypto coins, and we're going to trade, and before they go up in value, we sell them, and we take that money and we put it in the escrow account to pay you. Crypto trading's huge profits. The exchanges alone, some exchanges make millions of dollars a year, just the exchange itself, because of the growth of the coins and the fees that they charge. They could do it for free and it still make money. Every payment that's made, we charge a little fee on that, and that helps the escrow account. The GETRV coin, as it goes up in value, we can sell off some of them, make a little money, put it in the escrow account, smart merchant account, referrals, exchange trading, NFT platform. It just never stops. It just keeps going. Exchange profits, GETREV volatility, consumer to consumer sales, smart contracts, customer stores. So if you have products and you want your own store, we'll make it for you for very low cost, and you can sell your brand. We'll list your store right on our marketplace, and there you go. You can sell. Okay, what is a smart contract? A smart contract is an agreement between two people, but it's not a handshake like in the old days. Hey, let's do a deal. No, not like that anymore. Now it's done in the form of computer code, and it runs on the blockchain. So they are stored in a public database and cannot be changed. So when we make a deal, the deal that we made is the deal that we made. So the transactions that happen on the smart contract are processed on the blockchain, which means they are sent automatically without a third party, and they're considered lawful. So the blockchain is considered the law if you go to court. So if you got a smart contract that's not honored, you can go to court and you'll be paid. Smart contract time deposits are remarkably similar. So if you have a smart contract and you went to the bank and you had a time deposit for minus 1% of your money, that's what it is today, but it's remarkably similar. However, smart contracts are built to function on the blockchain and have enormous potential for success and profit. The daily profit is determined by the contract you select. And we pay you 10% per month, and all contracts are for 18 months. So just so you know, 10% a month, 18 months. That's 180%. How we do it, the coin goes up in value, it's easy to pay. Easy to pay. No, there's no problem. Plus all those revenue streams. So you start with $100. You can start as low as $100. You can see the coin is a nickel, because that's 2,000 coins. That's 20 coins per dollar. So you're getting the coin for a nickel. That's our price. So when I'm telling you you're buying the coin for 2 cents and it's worth a nickel, I'm not kidding. That's our price, a nickel. GETRV coins, you make $10 a month, 280, you'll have 5,600 GETRV coins if you buy a smart contract without getting it at the crowdfunding site. Now you can buy the coins at 2 cents and instantly convert them into a smart contract at a nickel and start earning that money at a nickel. Now, if you want to really get into the deal, become a founding member, a smart contract profit package. It starts at $100. You get 2,000 GETRV coins, but you get 1 share of stock. At this with the gift certificate that I showed you earlier. that gift certificate. Now, normally you have to put $1,000 in to be a founding member, and you get 10 shares of stock. And this is the normal amount people start with anyway, is $1,000. Not everybody, but those who can afford it start with $1,000. And that would be 20,000 GTRV coins. But if you buy them for 2 cents a piece, you can have a smart contract at $2,500. You can open a smart contract for any amount of money. You don't have to have exact amounts. It can be any amount of money. Now, our crowd sale again is the April 30th only. You're going to get 1 GTR coin for 2 cents, and that's so we can raise our market cap. We need to raise our market cap. We need to get more coins in circulation. Get a 10% bonus on your first purchase, and 2 cents will get you $1,000. Will get you 50,000 GTVR coins, 2,500 bucks, 10% monthly until we launch. And benefit of having a GTRV coin, 10% monthly profit until we launch. 10% thank you bonus for first time purchase. Profit handsomely on the pre-sale price. Become one of the founding members. Earn more from referral rewards. Now, this is true protection from inflation, not some comedy act. This is the real deal. Special offer, gift certificate. Get 1 share of GetRev at $100, and just call our office if you need help, and I'll give you all that information in just a second. The referral reward plan, those who choose to refer others will be rewarded a percentage of the contract amount to infinity levels. Referral commissions will appear in your funding account. Now, how it works is very easy. You get 10% on anybody you refer directly that buys. So if they buy $1,000, you get $100. And if that person refers somebody and they buy, you'll get $50. And then 3% on level 3, you'll get $30. Then $20 on level 4. And then 5 to 12, you'll get 1%. And then we give you extra bonus coins. If you get 5 referrals that actually buy, we'll give you 250 bonus coins. If you get 70,000 referrals who buy, we'll give you 70,000 coins. 100 referrals that buy, we'll give you 70,000 coins. I'm getting crazy here. Like our Facebook page, get 20 GTRV coins. Share it, get 20 RV coins. Like our Instagram page and share it, get 20. Like our YouTube page and subscribe, get 30 GTRV coins. And please go to our YouTube page and share that page, get 30 coins. That's $1.50 in value. Our merchant account, that's 0 risk for merchants, and it's money in the bank for us. Our plan for the GetRev coin is to give business owners an alternate merchant account for their business. GetRev coin will be a fully licensed cryptocurrency, including cryptocurrency to cash exchange. We will not charge merchants any fees for using their complete merchant solution. So just for the first 30 days, that's a 30-day trial. I mean, we can't give it forever for free, but then after that we charge, and the profits can go back into the escrow holding account. That's the most important thing, getting the money to pay the smart contracts so that you get your money. And that's what we strive on every day, is making more money to get you more money. And that merchant account will build the company like no other way to build the company. Every time somebody uses a merchant account, that's a new person on our network, a new person we can contact and invite to the webinar. How can I earn more? You can quickly increase your daily profits by either adding more money to your account or by earning commissions by referring others to open a smart contract. You don't have to refer anybody. This is a passive opportunity. But if you want to refer somebody And if they buy the average of $1,000, you'll get $100, and that'll double your account if you started with $100. So $100 plus $100 is $200, and you just added one person at 1,000. Now, our developers are very experienced. They're a whole team in Japan. Timofey is the leader of the team, and the other members are Raymond is here, marketing manager. He's here in the Philippines, and I'll be working with Raymond. And Zilionixx is our developer. They are creating our coin, and they're getting us onto the main web. And these are the guys, and there's all their links, so you can check them out. They're already on the main web. They offer AI smart contracts, full trading platform, exchanges, layered D apps for aspiring game developers. They even put their medical service records on the blockchain, because nobody can hack that. Metaverse, they're really into the metaverse and games, NFTs and games, because games can be NFTs too. Fastest transfer rate at lowest fees. That's their tagline. They are the cheapest to get your coin made and created and transferred. So that's who they are. Now we are GETREVCoin.com. That's how you can join and be part of us. Support at GETREVCoin.com. Our telephone number is 904-902-0141. You can call the office anytime if you need help. This is our YouTube channel. Click that and get started right away. Our Facebook page is right here. Share it, get paid. Our Twitter handle, our Instagram page, our Skype, and join our Skype conversation or our Facebook group, because that's where the action happens. So please do that. Any questions from anybody? Anybody have a question? Okay, guess not. We will then go to the last page. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for taking the time out to listen to this presentation.